Oftentimes we will see when the individual is tremoring, we might see big, strong movements through the whole body, very strong tremors, as well as very strong movement in the structure. And that actually is helpful in the sense that every human organism can and should be able to do that. But also we need its balance, which are very fine tremors or very soft, gentle movement, sometimes even a little imperceptible, where the individual says, I can feel it moving inside of me, but I can tell you can't see it outside. So now we've gone from this really delicate movement into this really strong movement. So the question is, when do we do both of those? And here's what I find. If the body or the individual only gets strong movements, which we see sometimes even from the first session that they do, there's big movement all over the place. That's very nice. But if that's all they're getting, it suggests that maybe they're able to move the structure at a superficial level, but they're not able to go deeper than that. So an energetic discharge keeps occurring, but it's lacking the depth of going inside where there might be deeper contractions, or they're not challenged to release because the body can release at a superficial level. The other part is true too. If the individual's only getting these deep tremors inside, but you don't see structural movement and adjustments of a living organism, then I want to know, why can't it move the structure? And is the opposite true? Maybe it can only move deep inside, but that depth inside isn't strong enough or challenging enough to actually move physically the arms and the legs, the neck, etc., the structure itself. So if we think of living organism, we must think in terms of pulsation. And so pulsation is everything from very delicate tremors to deep inside to very big structural movement, which you can actually see externally. So if we're thinking of pulsation, the organism must obviously need both of those and everything in between those.